Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How to seek forgiveness of sins. Number 1. Sins are forgiven on doing wudu. Number 2. The 5 daily prayers remove bad deeds. Number 3. Ruku and sajda make sins fall away. Number 4. Walking towards mosque is expiation of sin and elevation of status. Number 5. Greeting other Muslims and doing salam. Number 6. Waiting for the next prayer. Number 7. Saying Amin after the Imam when he recites Al-Fatiha. Number 8. Praying in congregation. Number 9. 2 rakats of Duha prayer. Number 10. Praying Tahajjud. Number 11. Sitting in his place of prayer. Number 12. Reading Astaghfar. Number 13. Reading Subhanallah wa bihamdihi 100 times. Number 14. Reading Surah Mulk. Number 15. Not leaving the Fajr and Asr prayer. Number 16. Going to Jummah early. Number 17. Visiting the sick. Number 18. Attending the circle of remembrance. Number 19. Reading dua at the end of gathering. Number 20. Worship on Laylatul Qadr. Number 21. Fasting in Ramadan. Number 22. Fasting on the day of Arafah and Ashura. Number 23. Performing Hajj Umrah. Number 24. Following up a bad deed with a good deed. Number 25. Sadaqah. And if you like our video, then please comment and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.